Sa survey ng Pulse Asia na isinagawa mula June 28 hanggang July 3 at July 6, 2026, tinanong ang 2,400 representative adults edad 18 pataas. Sa 53 posibleng senatorial candidate sa eleksyon, 17 ang may statistical chance na manalo. Ito ay sina Senador Robin Padilla, Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto, incumbent Senators Raffy Tulfo, Alan Peter Cayetano at Loren Legarda, dating Senador Manny Pacquiao, Makati City Mayor Nancy Binay, Department of Education Secretary Sonny Angara, Senador Mark Villar, broadcaster na si Ben Tulfo, Senador Jinggoy Estrada, television host na si Willie Revillame, Senador Cheese Escudero, dating Anak Kalusugan Party List Representative Mike Defensor, dating Senador Mar Rojas, Cabinet Secretary at dating Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary Benher Abalos, at Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority Chief Operating Officer Mark Lapid. Kabilang din sa senatorial preferences ang ilang artista, abogado, mamamahayag at politiko. Sabi ng Pulse Asia, walang grupong nagkomisyon ng Ulat ng Bayan survey na merong plus-2% error margin at confidence level na 95%. Maki Pulidon nagbabalita para sa GMA News.